You're bidding on a CM Cyclone Model M 2-ton. This is a low headroom, I think they call this a Army style hoist or low headroom hoist. At one time it did have a traveling trolley. You can see they've taken it out, but it works the same, just it doesn't travel. You have to pull it. Why don't you put it up in the air and we'll show the... It's got a... It's got a 13-foot lift on it and a 13-foot pull chain. It's got a, I need to take this, it's got a latch hook on the bottom. It's in nice shape. It's a pretty fast item. As you can see how fast it's going, it's pretty good. This is a, all right, quiet. This is an oldie but a goodie. Good luck bidding.